So we'll start with exercise A. Complete these sentences with the present continuous tense forms of the verbs in the brackets. The first one is done for you. The tiger is roaring in the jungle. So the tiger, that we are talking about singular subject here. So we'll use is plus ing verb roaring. Yes, Palakshi, what do you want to say, beta?
Ma'am, I want to answer.
Okay, tell me the answer of second one. We dash to find a shortcut to the market.
Is price. Ma'am, Y के बदले IES.
Which one you are telling, beta? I'm saying second one. We dash to find a shortcut to the market. Tell me the answer of second one, beta.
Ma'am, price. Price.
Tries.
Yes, ma'am.
We are doing simple present tense or we are doing present continuous tense?
I'm not trying.
Trying. Only trying. Will not use is MR helping verb here. We trying to find a shortcut to the market. Will not write is am or are here. I just explained you the structure. Just look at the structure given written here. Subject plus is MR plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. So where is MR? So we is the subject we are talking about here. We is the plural pronoun. Then we have to write here is, am, or are here also, no? Then we will write the ing verb, Palakshi.
Ma'am, is I write book.
What? We'll write is here. We will write is here, are here, or am here.
Are.
Are. We are. And then what we will write after are?
We are trying.
Trying. Trying. We are trying. Now it's correct. We are trying to find a shortcut to the market. Now it's correct. Okay. So we have to use SMR also. Okay. Shreyansh Tripathi, third one. She dashed an interesting story.
She is telling an interesting story.
Yes, she is telling an interesting story. Correct. Next one, Jay Krishna. I dash my school uniform.
Ma'am, I am earning my school uniform.
Correct answer. Srishti, fifth one.
Ma'am, the teacher is take the student to the science
Exhibition.
exhibition.
Why take better? Here we have to use the ing verb. The teacher is?
Yes.
The teacher
Taking.
is taking. Yes. The teacher is taking the students to the science exhibition. Mute yourself now. Mute yourself. Done? You all have done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one. Sixth one. Richa and Karan dash their mother in the kitchen.
Richa and Karan was helping.
Was? Was. We are not doing past continuous tense. We are doing present continuous tense.
Richa and Karan are helping their mother in the kitchen.
Now it's correct. Next one, number 7. Araman. The kettle dash in the fields.
The kettle. The kettle are grass in a field.
Is this correct, Bhavya Rajput?
The kettle is gazing in the field. Ma'am, here kettle is singular, that's why we will use helping verb is. And ma'am, gaze, ma'am, cut the E and add ing, gazing.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Very good, Adiket. So what we do in most of the verbs, if the verbs end with letter E, in that case, before adding ing, we remove the letter E at the end. Grazing. Tanvi, the policeman dashed the traffic.
The policeman is controlling the traffic.
Correct. Is controlling. Correct. Atharva Sharma, Rohit dash buttons on his shirt.
Rohit is sewing button on his shirt.
Correct answer. Rohit is the singular subject, so we'll use is. Sew plus ing, sewing. Correct. Aditya, the leaves dash off the tree.
Yes, ma'am. The leaves are falling off the tree.
Correct. Are, because here we are talking about plural subject.
Ma'am, because leaves is plural.
Yes. So we'll use the helping verb are and fall will become falling. You can mute yourself. Done? You all have done the answers? Let's move to the B part. Change these sentences from the simple present tense to the present continuous tense. So all the sentences which are written here, these are written in simple present tense, and we have to change all these sentences into the present continuous tense. Second one.
My grandmother knits a sweater.
Knits a
My
sweater.
grandmother knits a sweater. My grandmother is knitting the sweater.
Correct. My grandmother is knitting a sweater. Correct. Agrim, tell me the third one. The rabbit sleeps in the garden.
Ma'am, the rabbit is sleeping in the garden.
Yes, the rabbit is sleeping.
The garden.
Correct. Ananya Tomar. The band plays in the circus.
Yes, ma'am. The band. The band is playing in the circus.
Yes, the band is playing in the circus. Ananya Chauhan. The boxes lying on the floor.
Ma'am, the boxes are lying on the floor.
Correct. Boxes are.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shreyansh Tripathi. She brings flowers for her parents.
Ma'am,
She brings flowers for her parents. Change this into present continuous tense by using ismr or ing verb.
She is bringing flowers for her parents.
Correct. She is bringing flowers for her parents. Mute yourself. Devansh, tell me the answer of 7th one. The hens cluck in the farm.
Okay, ma'am. The hens cluck in the farm. The hens clucking in the farm.
You are missing the helping verb. Ismr helping verb.
Okay,
The
ma'am. The
hen.
hens
Uh,
is clucking.
here hen is written or hens is written. Look carefully.
Are clucking. Ma'am, are clucking in the farm.
Yes, here our subject is plural, are clucking. Mute yourself. Exercise, you will do it. C, you will do it yourself. That is your homework. Exercise C. Sheena runs to catch the bus. Tanvi, tell me the 8th one. No, the mice gnaw at the wooden cupboard. 8th one.
The mice. The mice is gnawing
Try.
at the wooden cupboard.
Okay, I'll explain you. Wait a minute. Mute yourself. Let me do this, then I'll explain you. See, the mice gnaw at the wooden cupboard. So here, mouse is the singular, mice is the plural. Mouse, mice. So this is plural one. So we'll write the mice are gnawing at the wooden cupboard. Mice are. Exercise C, you will do it yourself. That is your homework. Srishti Pandey, Sheena runs to catch the bus.
Ma'am, Sheena is running to catch the bus.
Sheena is running, correct. Sheena is running to catch the bus. Last one. Yes, Pritika, try the last one. Jay and Harish participate in the drawing competition.
Jay and Harish are participate in the drawing competition.
Again, you are missing ing. Participate or participating.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat the sentence again.
Jay and Harish are participating in the drawing competition.
Yes, now it's correct. Jay and Harish are participating in the drawing competition.